So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some print-on-demand stores. This time around, we're not on Redbubble, we're on Teepublic. This is something a lot of you guys had been asking for a while. And as Teepublic is also a site that can allow you to make money, I thought, why not do this? If you don't already have a Teepublic account, try create one, try follow along with some of the tips I talk about throughout this video. And if you're ready for this one, guys, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name's Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on the notification bells so you don't miss out on any future videos. We have actually helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you're looking for any sort of extra information in regards of print on demand, I have a free print on demand starter guide linked down in the description. And for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also do have a paid step-by-step guide linked just below as well. Teepublic is a website that's brought a lot of problems for a lot of people. So if you're someone who's struggling to get their designs on the market, or if you're someone who's had their shop taken down, make sure to go down in the description and check out those Teepublic videos I made just to give you a little bit more information on that. Getting this out of the way now, because I know a lot of people ask about this in the comments. So yes, refer to the videos down in the description. All the questions you need answered should be answered there. Jumping into the first store of today, we have Courtney Grabbin's shop. Now, from what I can see, there's 94 designs. The banner looks fairly okay. It's a bit blurry, so I don't know if she needs to change up the dimensions of the banner for Teepublic. Besides that, the shop itself looks fairly cool. The profile picture is just her, and the images are fairly creative. It looks like she's actually gone out and made them herself. The best thing I like about these style of images is the fact that they stand out. Teepublic does actually reward artists that do things similar to this. For example, this positive energy styled design. So if you're a Teepublic seller, or you're just trying to make your designs stand out, and maybe you can't make art pieces like Courtney has done here, you can go ahead and just make bright colored text-based designs, and I'm sure you do well. The only thing I'll say Courtney needs to pretty much do more of on her shop is just to make sure that she keeps on putting designs on. I understand it's not as easy to make the designs that she does make, but if she wants to stay on top of the game, she can make a lot more designs that are similar to this one, maybe link them up to trends or evergreen niches, and I'm pretty sure with her kind of store, will continue to keep pushing forward and potentially keep doing well. Looking at this design, I can see in the description she's got one keyword, and it's just positive energy. When it comes to Teepublic, the description is one of the main helpers in allowing people to find your designs. So Courtney would need to add a little bit more descriptive keywords in the description just to help with search. The title's fairly okay. Once again, more keywords may be needed here if she wants to rank higher. And in terms of the tags, she's put not too many tags. So once again, I would pretty much just go off the tags that Teepublic suggest to allow you to get a few more tags in there that people are potentially searching for. I mean, if you look on what customers also search, you can see positive words, positive attitude, positive thinking, and they're all things that could be added in the main tags just to help with people actually being able to find Courtney's shop. Now, moving us on, we have this shop here. It's called the Aesthetics. I hope I've said that correctly. The banner straight off the bat alongside the logo looks great. I'm guessing obviously this is the person who's running the shop. And yeah, everything seems to link up well in terms of the theme. The t-shirts on the banner, I assume that they're the t-shirts that are on the shop. There's over 1,000 designs on this Teepublic store with a hell of a lot of albums just on the side here, which is great to see. I mean, a lot of people don't really take advantage of albums on Teepublic, but albums do make life easier for the customer. Looking through this shop, I already know that this person knows what they're doing. I mean, if I had a gold star, I'd give them a gold star. And I say this because just through looking at the designs, looking through some of the niches that they're in, from making my own designs, from my own niche research, I know that this person is covering trendy niches and their shop is being pushed in the right direction. I mean, with over 1,000 designs, I'd assume obviously this person has got to a point where they do know what it is they're doing. For anyone watching this video looking on ways to improve their shops, making designs that stand out just like this, pretty much all of the designs you're seeing on the shop stand out. The person is also making different variations of designs. If you want to be successful within print on demand in general, this is what you need to do. So the person who runs this shop, you've done a great job with your shop. There's no really pointers I can give to allow you to improve more because you've covered everything you need to do. I mean, I'm going to click on one of your designs to see how you're going about the tags, keywords, and things like that, because I feel like that's the only way we can really see if there's any improvement needed in the back end of things. So in terms of this design, you've put defund the politicians, funny political protests. So yep, a lot of keywords. And then we're looking in the description, once again, a lot of keywords. Scrolling further to the tags, yep, you've added keywords that are in relation. If I could give you a literal star, I would give you a star because this is a 5-star shop. There's no improvements that are needed there. If they're not on any other print on demand platforms, I would strongly recommend them to get onto sites like Spreadshirt and Redbubble because I feel like these designs would perform well over there. So the person who submitted that shop, if you're watching this video, make sure that you're on other print on demand platforms if you haven't gotten them already. Next up, we have this shop here. Now it's a bit hard to follow up after the last shop we've just seen, but we're gonna go on to this one anyway, and it's called the Cactus Family. The banner logo look fairly okay. I mean, the colors somewhat match, so it's not too bad. Looking at the designs, once again, the designs stand out. They look like they've got like their own style of design, and they've tried to scale it as well, which is always good to see. A lot of these designs that I'm seeing, they're designs that I could imagine people buying, especially on Teepublic, because they've made sure that they really do stand out. Once again, in regards of the design end of things, this shop looks like it's doing a good job. I'm seeing some albums in there, which is always good to see. And they currently have 125 designs, which always does help to obviously have a number of designs there. I'm going to click on one of these designs and we'll have a look to see how they've gone about obviously keywords and everything. So title, wow, it's a long one. Stay Wild, Glamp Child, and there's a lot of keywords in there, which once again on Teepublic, if you want to get noticed, you need to get those keywords in the titles, descriptions, and tags. I'm seeing a big description that's featuring a lot of keywords from what I can see. Obviously got photographing wildlife. Wow, they've got a lot of keywords in there. And then looking at the tags, they've added obviously related tags. Looking at what customers also searched for, and from what I can see, they haven't quite added in the other things that customers search for. So you could add in things in relation to campfires. I'm seeing Glamper. I'm pretty sure they've got Glamper in there. This is another shop that looks like it knows what it's doing. This person just needs to keep making sure that they're getting those designs up. I mean, if you can get anywhere near 1,000 designs at the last shop I just showed you, I'm pretty sure things will be firing off, especially coming up to the 4th quarter, which will be starting from October. Things will be doing very, very well when it comes to Teepublic. Our next shop is Kazi, and Kazi or Kazi, from what I can see, as a simple banner. The logo, I'm not too sure if it matches up with a banner, but however, it does have a logo there. On the design end of things, I'm seeing 31 designs, so there's still a ways to go in regards of building up the library of designs. From what I can see with these designs, they've mainly been put onto a white background. And with my understanding of Teepublic and actually getting sales through mainly t-shirts, you want to make sure that, you at least have some designs that show up with a black background behind them. And the main reason I say that is because black t-shirts are bought more than white t-shirts when it comes to Teepublic, when it comes to any print on demand site, to be fair. So you want to be making sure that you do have some designs that have a black background on them. From what I can see, just from face value, some of the titles, they're very generic. You need to kind of laser focus in on certain niches by increasing the keywords you're using in your titles, and this will allow you to rank better. I'm just going to click on this design here that says blue popsicles, and already from the straight off the bat I can see you've got blue popsicles in the description, but not too many keywords. I mean, you've got icy ice cream, blue popsicles. It would be great if this was related to maybe something that was trending, or if he was able to get the holiday or the summer niche in there somehow, mainly because they're all things that would be related to ice cream. And looking at the keywords, I mean, you've got popsicles, blue, desert, yeah, so you've got holiday, summertime, you've got the right things in the tags. You just need to make sure that you've got the right things in the description and that you are uploading more and more designs moving forward. Teepublic, the game's a little bit different, but you do need to make sure you're staying on top of things when it comes to the keywords. And with the fifth shop, is called Nikki's Apparel, with a very nice theme to it. I'm loving the banner, loving the logo, and Nikki's Apparel also does have some albums there. Scrolling through the shop, I'm seeing a variation of different style of designs. I've got some of the white background, some of the black background. This one looks pretty cool. Design wise, they have 82 designs, so still got a way to go in regards of getting those designs up onto Teepublic. There's some very evergreen designs. World's Best Dad, obviously that's definitely evergreen, and a variation of other designs, which if you ask me, I would say they look pretty cool. The main thing I feel like we need to look into here is how she pretty much, if it is a she, how she puts her keywords together. Title states work hard, stay humble, be kind. Keywords in there looking good. Motivational design on your favorite products, stay motivated and continue to inspire others. I'll definitely add more keywords in there that link up to motivational topics or motivational quotes. That way, obviously, the search engine will pick up your design a lot easier. Scrolling down, looking at the tags, I'm seeing always be yourself, inspirational quote. So a lot of good use in tags. Those keywords just need to be implemented into the description somehow, mainly because on Teepublic, the description does actually have a lot of power for those who don't know. Overall, the shop looks good. The designs look pretty cool. I would say this person just needs to make sure that they keep uploading, keep staying on top of things, and if they're not already getting consistent sales, the consistent sales will come. If you've made it to this point of the video, make sure to watch this video right there. It gives you more information about Teepublic, how to get sales, how to get found if you're struggling to get found on the market. Comment down Teepublic money if you made it to this point of the video, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.